Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make wine in factory easy method. Sanitize all tanks and hoses thoroughly, then inspect seals and filters to prevent contamination. Choose grape varieties and test sugar levels to match desired style. Calculate batch size and prepare fermentation vessels, cooling, and transfer lines. Organize labeling, storage, and basic quality checks to keep production smooth and safe for consistent bottling. Begin by transferring freshly pressed juice to the fermentation tank and adjust initial temperature for optimal yeast performance. Pitch a reliable yeast strain and add nutrients as needed to ensure steady fermentation. Monitor specific gravity twice daily and control temperature with jacketed tanks or chillers to maintain consistent flavor development. Keep detailed logs of gravity, temperature, and timing to reproduce successful batches and troubleshoot deviations quick. After fermentation, rack the wine away from gross lees and allow it to settle for clarification. Apply fining agents if needed, then cold stabilize and adjust sulfur levels for microbial stability. Use sterile filtration before bottling and maintain clean filling lines to prevent spoilage. Fill and seal bottles, apply labels, and store at consistent cellar temperature to age before release. Keep records for traceability and quality control across batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.